This week, I'm going to show you how I used one timeline to create two shots. So in this shot, the student pilot rejoins the other two X-Wings. Now, if we look at our first two X-Wings, they simply have 3 keyframes each just to make sure they're not flying in a straight line. And then when we come over here and look at our student pilot, he has a bunch of keyframes because he overshoots. And as you can see, whips back around to level out with the other two X-Wings. Now, I did this same shot twice. We start with this angle, and then as he gets to about here, I wind up using a second camera, which I actually made this entire scene, just duplicated it and moved the camera to a different spot. Let's take a look at that. So here we are. If you look at the other X-Wings, you can see that they have the same number of keyframes. You can just actually, if you look down here in the timeline, you can actually see that I'm not rendering the whole shot from the other direction. I may have rendered it, the entire shot from the other direction, and then decided to do this pickup shot from the side because I thought it was more interesting perhaps to have a 2-for-1 here with this shot. And he joins from the side right there. And as you can see with him, these are the exact same keyframes we had in the other shot. And I just rendered it with the new camera from the side. Next week, we reveal the new Death Star. I'll see you then.